Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use the Smartlead AI tutorial. First, open up your smartlead.ai website. Then click on Create My First Campaign. Now here, just select this option and keep the other two options unchecked. After that, click on the Save button. You have the option to add a client if you would like. But currently, as you can see, there are no clients listed. Next, in map fields, I am going to select last name in the year section. Then click on the Save and Next button at the bottom. Next, let us proceed by entering the email. I want to ensure that the first name tag is included, so it appears as the first name. This part in the email changes with each email, either sending the first sentence or the second. With these variations, we can send out emails that look different even though they say similar things. Now type your name. Let us say partner at project 1. Then click on Save and Next button at the bottom. Here you need to select the sender account. So click on Choose Sender Accounts, and here, search by entering the email. Once done, then click on Save Email Account. Next, click on the Schedule Campaign option. You can choose your preferred time zone here and then set other settings to schedule your email to be sent at the selected time. After that, click on the Save button. Then your email has been saved successfully. Next, click on the Sender Account option, then click on the small box next to name. Here you can select the number of mailboxes that you want to send. Now click on Final Review. So let me show you what this looks like. Here's one email, and the next one will look different. Each email will have a slightly different look at the bottom. Now go to the sequences. So for the subject line, I'll just keep it simple, like, hey, first name, question about more case. Then click on Add Step to add the next step to the email. So typically, I'll set it to wait for at least 1 day before sending the next email. So when you are adding another email, just keep the subject line empty, and if you would like this email to be a reply to the lead's response. But if you add a subject line here, it will result in sending a new email with a completely separate thread. So in the second email, I am adding the current date and day of week to make it more personal. So once done, then click on the Save and Next button at the bottom. So let us move on to the next section setup. Now you need to choose your email account. Then set the campaign starting date. Next, choose the maximum number of new leads that can be reached per day for each campaign, such as setting it to 1200. Now select the time zone, then click on Save. Usually, you'll want to maintain this for a minimum of at least 17 minutes. Additionally, we prefer sending emails on Saturday as well. Now make sure you haven't missed anything and confirm that you have used the correct syntax. Now click on Send Test Email to send a test email to your email address. So here, enter your email address and then click on the Save and Next button. Now click on the settings icon at the top right. Now in the campaign settings, scroll a bit and select the option, Don't Track Email Opens. Now regarding the priority sending pattern, I prefer to set this to 30%. That means it keeps sending emails to new leads instead of just following up with the old ones. If it is left unchanged, it might spend the whole day following up with old leads instead of reaching out to new ones. Next, you can also choose this option and it will stop messaging other people within a company once a person replies from that company. Next, in the Intelligent AI Lead categorization, you can select the IntelliCategorize replies using Smartlead's AI option if you want. Once you have selected your desired options, then simply click on the Select Email Accounts button at the bottom. And now we begin the campaign schedule. The campaign is all set to go, starting at 9:59 p.m. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.